Hey, look, anybody can get it, right? So, hey, ladies, I'm trying to talk against y'all's mental approach right now to what you're actually looking for in the dating world, right? Listen, ladies, you keep asking for high value men, but are you high value yourself? My motto is this, right? If you're not high value, stop expecting to get a high value person in return, right? So, if you're not a 9 in looks, 9 in body, then stop asking for a dude that makes $500,000 and above, right? If you know you're 6 and you're a little bit overweight, then your sexual marketplace is simply what? A dude that makes between $40,000 and $80,000. There is nothing wrong with that. They got doctors out there who are females. They do. How come you're not a doctor, right? Look at it this way, right? Ladies, what if we switched it, right? And you said, you know what? Women want to be like men, this and that, and we have the same standards that y'all did, right? Check this out, right? You want us to be high value? Okay, cool. We want you to be a doctor that's making $500,000, right? The average black dude makes $28,000. How would you feel if you just kept getting rejected because you're not a doctor? It's the same way we feel, right? So, once again, the same thing that I'm doing, the same thing that Kim and Samuels did. We're trying to go against the mentality that a lot of women have. Not all, but a lot of women have, right? If you're 5, then it is what it is. It's the sexual marketplace. It's not personal.